fellow learners and amateur scientists. For those who don't know, I'm Charlie Hotchkiss, and I'm here to talk to you about my group and I's research project. So for our group, we decided to study cormorants. We have 3 species of cormorants that live here off of our Oregon coast, and we decided to study all 3. Our question that we asked was, how many cormorants will we see in Florence versus Newport, and how many of each of the 3 species? Our hypothesis, which we came up without doing a lot of in-depth research on the subject beforehand, was that we would see more double-crested cormorants overall. I think we partially decided this because people in the group who had seen a cormorant in the wild before had only ever seen a double-crested, and so we thought that they would be more common. Before we jump into our data, I just want to give you guys a closer look at some of our research subjects. So, the pelagic cormorant is the smallest cormorant on our coast. It is a slender black bird with a black bill and black feet. It has a red dot on its throat when it's in its breeding plumage, and white spots on its side all the time, not just when it's in its breeding plumage. The white spots on its side are often covered up by the wings, and so are most visible when the bird is in flight. And those white patches are kind of the key ID feature. The pelagics live year-round on our coast, but choose to breed in northern Alaska during the summer. Their name is a little confusing because pelagic means open ocean or out in the open ocean away from land, and the pelagics prefer to be inshore, so their name's a little weird. The Brandt's cormorant is a larger bird. It's all black everywhere except for its blue gular pouch underneath its bill here. It has a bright blue gular pouch when it's in its breeding plumage, as well as 2 white wispy feathery tufts on the side of its face. They live year-round on our coast and breed historically at the Yaquina Head Lighthouse every single year, as well as other locations on our coast. The double-crested cormorant is the lankiest of the 3 species, with long wings and a dark black body. Its bill is almost as long as its head, and the bill is hook-tipped and blunt at the end. They have a bright orange gular pouch and bright blue eyes, making them a very striking bird. And during breeding, adults grow these feather tufts on either side of their head that kind of look like little horns. So thank you for your time. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the presentation and have a wonderful day. Thank you for your time. Bye.